Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply the animation effect to background only in CapCut PC. For example, so select your background you like to edit. Okay, and I'm just going to add the animation before. Select a combo animation, for example, and I'm going to select the Google. Alright, after done, you're just going to select your um yeah overlay, put on top, and remove the background. So this is the final result. So very simple, super simple. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please drop in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.